7 types of magical chais or teas which put you to sleep and help you unwind, relax, take away the stress, take away the unnecessary energy, the boredom, the overexcitement, the overstimulation, the anxiety, or whatever you want to call it and stuff. So these are these terms which are going to help you not to focus on the feelings, but on how to kind of come out of this thing about not being able to sleep. Okay, so there's amazing chais. Green tea is one, lavender tea is next, uh, matcha chai is another one, the passionate flower is the other one, the Valerian root tea is the other one, and of course, we all know the Indian chai, okay? So, in a nutshell, most of these chais are going to help you not just in weight loss, but also they support better sleep because they contain ingredients like amino acids, or they have aromas which kind of put your system into a deep sleep mode and stuff. They help you relax and stuff. Some of them unlike coffee also have a steady calming effect, so it makes you easy on the system to kind of unwind and relax and stuff. Maybe you watch too much of TV, maybe you've exercised a lot, maybe you worked out a lot and you're not able to switch off, you're not able to sleep and stuff, so you have these kind of chais. The other thing what you could do is have these amazing khushbus, which is the nice fragrances that you have. I've been sharing this repeatedly. You have these kind of oil dispensers and stuff. It's a very basic one. Just put in different kinds of oils, and these are so sensual and these are so relaxing. You come out from a workspace, you come in from a sports place, you come in from a gym, you come from a not so great environment, or you've come from a great environment, and your system automatically kind of adjusts to this, and it kind of takes away your extra energy and stuff and helps you calm. So all these oils also have a different story behind them. Jasmine will do something, lavender will do something, and stuff like that. But the point is this, that having a control on your coffee intake does help, but also including chai helps big time, because this article is saying that caffeine and tea do not have any alcohol, so before the bed kind of gives you a relaxation and a rejuvenation feel, and they both calm your body and your mind. And because they are kind of balancing your hormones and stuff, they're also kind of inducing sleep in you, which everybody wants to do. So I have realized this, that over the years I've been in fitness and stuff, and I have my chai, and I've been told by my gym people and other people also not to have chai. But the thing is, I realize this, when I don't have chai, sometimes I'm not able to sleep and stuff. And the moment I have one cup of tea, it just rejuvenates me and I just fall flat. Okay, so for chai, like coffee, things are different when it comes to effect on your body and your system and stuff. To each one is own and stuff. So if somebody says you shouldn't be having more than 3 coffees or 4 coffees, is bullshit. If somebody says you can't have more than 3 chais or char chais, it's also bullshit. I'm giving you the right information here. Follow it, research it, and you'll see that you feel much better and stuff. And of course, when you wake up in the morning and stuff, you're also feeling far more charged up and stuff, because you've actually looked after your system and everything, and you're feeling good and great before you hit the sack. And medicine, they say, also suggests that different kinds of chai. Say, for example, lavender works on your depression and anxiety, which is a common cause of insomnia. I have been sharing this over Corona times and before this, that if you add ginger to your chai, it helps your throat. It helps, to build your immunity and stuff. If you put black pepper, you put honey, or you just have a black chai, that also works very well on your systems and stuff. And it's very important to kind of feel fresh, not just in your diet, but also in your system and stuff like that. Specifically, if you're having medicines or if you have pollution around you and stuff, make it a point to kind of have more of these oils and have more of, chais and coffees and green teas and stuff, because like I just shared it, they're going to help you feel great. And the calming thing also kind of refreshes you and stuff like that. So hope this helps. I'm jkapani at gmail.com, justinkapani.im at gmail.com. This is an unedited video. Take a look at the article. It's on page 2 of this is HT City Movers and Shakers. Take a look at it and stuff. They've got all the information here. how certain chais also kind of minimize your wake time. And of course, they also talk about the fact that when you have too much of time happening on your computer, or you're too much on the phone and the blue light is being emitted by your phone and stuff, how it can affect your system and stuff, and how your inconsistent sleep schedule and skipping physical activity and being in a noisy environment affects you and stuff, and you're not able to unwind. Okay, so include these in your systems and stuff and see how you feel, and I'm sure you're going to have a restful sleep and stuff like that. With this, if you play some good music and stuff, it's going to be a good idea. It's definitely going to kind of help you switch off or also energize you, because everybody's systems work differently. Some people are really tired, so they pass out when they sleep, and some people take a little of while before sleeping and stuff. But the point is, you have to kind of find ways which are kind of going to calm you and make you feel great about being alive. And you have to enjoy the simple things in life which give you joy and make you feel great and stuff. So here's a lovely cup of Indian chai. Enjoy yourself, look after yourself, and do read and update yourself, because I just realized that if I would have been following the information shared by my trainers and coaches and stuff, I would be having chai going by what they have to say. But now that I've read the article, there's so many options available, and there's so many designs and varieties and interesting packaging available in India and abroad and stuff like that, that you're going to love having your chai, and you're going to love rejuvenating yourself and stuff like that. So love and luck, and take care and have fun and have a blast. And thank you for writing to me. Thank you for praying for me. And I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, justinkapani.im@gmail.com, and justinkapanioffice@gmail.com. Thank you so much for your prayers and your messages, and looking forward to meeting you. So, one or two more of crucial days and stuff, and then I think I'm going to be back to regular life. Hopefully, inshallah. Stay safe, stay fun, stay joyful, and enjoy yourselves. And definitely perk yourself up. Also, add dark chocolate to your daily, daily days and your existence and stuff, because dark chocolate also has a lot of interesting stuff to offer and stuff. So you can research that. So love and luck and take care and have fun. Bye bye.